Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean adjectives. So, let's start. The first one is the Korean translation of the adjective to be polite, and that is 공손하다. 공손하다. Okay? Next comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be rude, and that is 무례하다. 무례하다. Okay, here comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be salty, and that is 차다. 차다. Okay, now comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be depressed, and that is 우울하다. 우울하다. Okay, now let's see the Korean translation of the adjective to not be delicious, and that is 맛없다. 맛없다. Now comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be important, and that is 중요하다. 중요하다. Okay, now let's see the Korean translation of the adjective to be unimportant or to be trivial, and that is 사소하다. 사소하다. Okay, now comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be bitter, and that is 쓰다. 쓰다. Now comes the Korean translation of the adjective to be stupid, and that is 멍청하다. 멍청하다. And the last one is the Korean translation of the adjective to be common, and that is 흔하다. 흔하다. So, today we learned 10 very easy Korean adjectives that are used in everyday life. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.